Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Tumblebooks. Tumblebooks is a way of reading books on the computer. It's a subscription bought by the school. It has books for kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade in it. The easiest way to get to it is to go to our Yorkshire homepage and then click on Library and then Symbol. This will take you to our links page. Once you go here, Tumblebook Library is in the second row right here. It'll ask you for your username and password. The username is Yorkshire, and you can email Ms. Baldwin for the password. Once you type it in, you click on Sign In. The tabs at the top will show you different kinds of books. So storybooks are books that'll read a picture book to you. Read-alongs, that'll put words on the screen. It will read it and highlight the word as it reads it. Graphic novels aren't going to read to you, but you can read them on the computer. So let's start with storybooks. All of these are storybooks you can pick to read on the computer. When you find one that looks good, then all you have to do is click on it. So let's say I want to read, you can also scroll through these arrows. Let's say we want to read Biscuit. I click on there, and then I go to Play Video.
This is Biscuit. Biscuit is small. Biscuit is yellow.
So to exit out, all you do is click on the corner. For graphic novels, they have a lot of really great ones like Geronimo Stilton, which I really love. You click on that, and then you click on Read Online. So this is not going to read to you, but you can read it on your screen. You can see it right here, and you can read through the graphic novel. You can also go to videos. There's some educational videos, lots of National Geographic ones if you want to watch ones about animals or space. There's also some puzzles and games. There are also books in other languages. If you go to language learning, you can see there's some books in Spanish, and you can click through here. There's also some books in French. For the read-alongs, these are the ones where if I click on one, let's say I want to read Peter Pan, and then I click on Read Online, you can see there's no pictures, but it'll open it up, and then it'll read it to you and highlight the words as it goes. So that's Tumblebooks Library. If you have any questions, please email Ms. Baldwin, and I'll be happy to help.